Hello, good morning po. Kumusta po kayo? Good morning, Roski. Good morning, Roski. Good morning, Roski. Good morning, Roski. Hello, hello. Hello ka sa vlog ko. Hello, vlog. Sabi mo. Hello, vlog. Sabi mo. Hello, hello po. Kumusta po kayo? Video lang po si ate. Hindi ko po alam kung anong ulam ng apo ko. Umilis lang po tayo, okay? At gigisingin ko ni apo ko maya-maya. Oras na. Ay, 21 na pala. Solid. 7:21 na. Ay, nako. Oh. Oh. 22 na. Tayo na. Hoy. Oh. Babaan ko man itong biscuit na to. Sandwich. Mayonnaise, tsaka ha? Ilan? Dalawa. Wala naman ano eh. Walang keso. Hawi ko ang bit. Hello. Hello. Patayin ko lang po ilaw dito. Lamig po mga friend. Sobrang lamig. Lakad po tayo ng ano. Tingnan natin kung kinain ng usa yung ano. Yung ano doon. Ito po pala usa. Ay, kinain nila. Kinain po nila. Wala yung basura. tayo ng plastic bag. Dilim. Dilim po. Nalagay lang po ako guantes kasi baka po kagatin ako ng langgam. Sakit baliktad. Baliktad po kasi mga pre. Sakit sa kamay. Hanap tayo na. Baka ito kanan. Bato. O ano na to? Sakit po sa kamay. Siguro ito. Ayan. Pag-ipon lang po tayo nito. Hello, hello. Lagyan natin ng basura to. Lagyan natin ng basura. Dadakot lang po yung mga tuyo. Yung mga tinanggal ko po kahapon, mga friend. Hello. Kita niyo po ba ako, mga friend? Yan po. Yan lang po mga ko. Hello. Dapatin po natin yung dahon tsaka yung mga damo ko tinanggal kahapon. Kasi mainit na po kahapon. Kaya hindi ko tinanggal. Sabi ko, tumuro na lang. My friend ko. Lagay po natin ito doon. Ano po kaya? Hello. Hello, hello. Tingnan po natin yung mga basura. Cactus. Kaso, namatay iba. Today is Wednesday. Hello? Ano po ba ako? Dahil po ano? Dry na leaves. po tayo ng mga tuyong dahon. Hello. Hello. Hello, hello mga friends. Dapat pala nagmasa ko. Diba? Hello!
Yesterday I was in a hurry, so that's why I saw you. I didn't get to stop. How are you?
You passed that? I'm fine. I take the
How was your Easter?
It's okay. You.
Wonderful.
Wonderful. I take my the dry leaves.
The dry leaves.
Many
That's
there.
a lot of work.
Yeah.
There's so many of them. You need a blower. And
Yeah.
you can blow them into one direction.
I blow and then I put in the
I got
in
you.
the corner.
Okay. Well, it's a beautiful day.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day now.
So stay warm. It's 53 degrees. Not too bad, but you're probably warm.
But I feel always cold.
Are you always cold?
Yeah. That's why I'm cold now. I feel very cold.
All the time.
That's why I always.
I'm older than you.
Me.
I'm older than you. What
Me,
year?
April 14, 1959.
July 4th, 1955.
I'm old.
Okay, 3 months.
3 months. I told you 3 months.
All right, my sweet
Okay.
friend. I hope you have a wonderful day.
Yeah, same to you.
I'll see you later.
Bye-bye.
I love you, Dolores.
June, me and my daughter moved to Hawaii.
When is your birthday? When is your birthday?
April 14.
Oh, it's coming up.
Yeah.
You're moving?
Or June.
In June to Hawaii?
The house sale, and then I go to the Hawaii. Move to Hawaii. Because my daughter is there. One daughter is there. That's why my daughter want to move to Hawaii.
It's expensive there.
Yeah.
You should open up a restaurant.
Very expensive the ano doon, the food, all very expensive. The house, very expensive. I don't know why my daughter transferred there.
Oh, I'll miss you.
I miss it. But June or
I have your phone. Don't change your phone.
yeah,
Keep the same phone number.
yeah, June or July.
Make sure I know before you go, so I can come over.
Yeah, I tell you. I cannot see you every day now because the other day, the other month is very cold. I cannot go.
Oh, no.
I cannot go out. Very, I feel cold.
It gives you a headache. Yeah. Same here.
I don't know.
I don't like my head when my head gets cold.
because it's I had sinus.
Yeah.
That's why I
Oh.
feel like that.
Yeah.
Like my brain like that.
I know.
That's why I cannot go to outside.
Yeah. No, same thing.
See, we go na.
I gotta go to work. All right. I love you.
I love you.
I'll talk to you later.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye. Love you.
I love you, Dolores.
Okay. That's my friend. Talk to me. Talk to my friend. I'm lonely because may iwan ko ng mga friend ko. It's okay. I'm happy because makakasama ko na din yung mga apo ko doon. Sana malapit kami sa tinitira ng isang anak ko para makakalipat lang ako pag kailangan ako ng anak ko. kailangan ako ng anak ko. Nandun lang ako. Mahal na mahal ko yung mga anak ko. Alam ni Lord yan kung gaano ko kamahal yung mga anak ko. Mahal na mahal na mahal ko yung mga anak ko. I feel lonely. But it's okay. Love you mga anak. Mahal na mahal kayo ni nanay. Okay, bye-bye po. See you tomorrow. Mga kasinyo, ingat po tayo. Mahirap po magkasakit, may pera o wala, lalo ko walang pera. Shoutout po sa aking mga anak. I love you. Thank you po sa pag-like at pag-share nyo sa aking mga video. Pag-support nyo po sa akin. Thank you po. I love you all. God bless always. Sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Mga kabataan, mag-aral kayo mabuti. Maging magalang sa magulang. Maging mapagmahal. Pa-subscribe naman po YouTube channel ko, Dolores Tupat. Thank you po sa inyo. I love you all. God bless always. Bye-bye po. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Thank you po sa mga bago kong friends, sa bago kong subscriber. Thank you po. I love you all. God bless always. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Love you.